I used to ride these canyon trails with six-shot dreams and whiskey tails. Now the wind, it knows my name, but the world don't look the same. Tumbleweed still rolls alone over the bones of what I've known. I ain't got skin, I ain't got breath, but I got rhythm after death.
Shadows dance where I once bled, stars above where angels fled. You can't see me, but I'm near. I haunt the beat, you feel so clear. I'm a ghost in my boots, got fire in my feet, riding bass lines through the heat, through dusty towns and neon skies. I rave where cowboys go to die. My soul's a loop, my heart's a thump, kicking dust with every bump. No grave can hold my desert tune. I two-step under the trance moon. The sheriff's gone, the town is bare, but I still swing in phantom air. Bardos creak when no one's there, just my hat floating in despair. Ghost girls twirl to echo beats in ghost saloons on ghostly streets. Their laughter's glitch, their boots don't land, they reach but never touch my hand. Some say they hear me at dawn, a distant hoot, a haunting song. When strobe lights hit the canyon side, that's me, boy, I still ride. I'm a ghost in my boots, got nowhere to be, just chasing that endless melody through silent storm and scent-stained air. I rave in dreams you wouldn't dare. My saddle's gone, but I still sway on phantom beats that never stay. A cowboy lost, a rhythm found. I haunt the sound, I am the sound. Don't forget me when you dance. I'm just a ghost looking for one last chance.
I woke up cold by the canyon bend, boot prints beside but no sign of a friend. The moon was low, the fire dead still, I heard a laugh rolling down the hill. There's a town ahead that ain't on maps, where shadows walk and the doors don't latch. I know that ghost still rides with me in these worn out boots and memory. I'm a ghost in my boots, he don't sleep no more. He taps his heel on the chapel floor. He whispers lines I forgot I knew. He's wearing my face, my boots, my truth. He's got my past wrapped round his hands. He knows my heart like a piece of land. And when I walk, he walks too. Guess I never really said adieu. I met a preacher in the dust last night. He said, boy, your ghost still wants to fight. I looked him straight and asked him why. He smiled and said, you never die. Down in that town, lights flickered blue. Saloon play songs nobody knew, but I saw her there, that ghost from years, in a red dress stitched from cowboy tears. She touched my chest and said, you see, you ain't been free since you buried me. Those boots you wear, they ain't just shoes, they're a deal you made, you're bound to lose. Count the ghost in my boots, now I understand. He ain't just ghost, he's the other hand. The part of me I tried to hide. The ghost in my boots.